Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cod fish in a pan. First, ensure your cod fillets are completely dry by patting them with paper towels. This is crucial for a beautiful sear. Next, season both sides of each fillet generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other seasonings you love. Then, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers, indicating it's ready for cooking. Once your pan is hot, gently place the seasoned cod fillets into the pan. If your cod has skin, place it skin side down first to crisp it up. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. The exact time will vary based on the thickness of your fish, so keep an eye on it. Remember not to overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain consistent heat and achieve that perfect golden brown crust. To determine if your cod is perfectly cooked, look for a few key indicators. The most reliable method is to check its internal temperature, which should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, gently insert a fork into the thickest part of the fillet. If it flakes easily, your fish is ready. It should appear opaque throughout but remain wonderfully moist and tender, never dry. Once your beautiful pan-seared cod is cooked to perfection, carefully remove it from the pan. Allow it to rest for just a minute or two. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring maximum flavor and tenderness. Garnish with fresh lemon wedges, a sprinkle of chopped parsley, or a drizzle of a complimentary sauce. Serve your delicious cod immediately alongside roasted vegetables, fluffy rice, or a crisp, light salad for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.